Hi guys, today we are going to learn about the differentiation and this is our part 1 video. I'm going to record couple of videos and we'll see questions based on exams. So let's see differentiation. Differentiation is another name is gradient. As you know that I have already written gradient and dy by dx. So when we say dy by dx, it means differentiation of y with respect to x here. So if you have a look like here, it is dy by dx. If any function of x, that is fx here, so once you differentiate you will get f dash x, and once you differentiate y you get dy over dx. That is differentiation of y with respect to x here. This is our formula. Yeah, if y is x to the power n, then we can differentiate it. Then what happens? This n comes forward here. Okay, so I have written here n, and this is take away 1. Yeah, so nx n minus 1. So if example is like this, y is equal to x to the power 3, and you are differentiating it, then dy by dx will be 3 is coming forward here, so you write down 3 x, and 3 take away 1, that is 2, so that is 3x square. But if there is any term which is independent of x, so it should not be x, it is independent of x. Yeah, so then its differentiation is 0. So d by dx of any constant term which is independent of x, that is 0, and differentiation of e to the power x is remains e to the power x. Yeah, so these three basic formulas we are going to learn in different questions. Let's go for the question. So here are the question: y is equal to x to the power 5. So if we are going to differentiate with respect to x, so I'm going to write dy over dx, and 5 is coming forward here, and 5 take away 1, so 5x, 5 minus 1 is 4. If we do differentiate here, so 5 is coming again here, so let's write down dy by dx. 3 is already there, 5 times 3, that will be 15, and x, and 5 take away 1 is 4, that is 15x4. Here I have already explained you that root x you can write down x to the power half. So once you differentiate, that is dy over dx, so this half is coming forward, so that is half x, and half take away 1, that is minus half. So if you do half take away 1, that is minus half. Now here root x is in the denominator, so once this term is going up in the numerator, it will be x to the power minus half. That's why I have written here. So if you differentiate here dy by dx, this minus half is coming forward, so it will be minus half x, and minus half take away 1. Minus half take away 1 will be minus 3 over 2. Nice and easy. Let's see couple of more questions. So this is equation y is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 5, and we need to differentiate it with respect to x. So let's write down, first thing we are going to write down dy over dx. Okay, so 3 is already there, so when 2 is coming forward, so it will be 3 times 2, that is 6, and 2 take away 1 is 1, so 1 we don't write, so let's leave it. Differentiation of x, so differentiation of x is 1, so let's write down 1. 2 times 1, and differentiation of any number which is independent of x will be 0. Yeah, I can explain you why differentiation of x is 1. So if you differentiation of x is 1, so here x to the power 1 suppose, so let's write down 1 here. So 1 is coming forward, 1x, and 1 minus 1, that is 0, so x to the power 0, so it means it is 1, so that's why we have written here 1. So this is dy by dx is 6x, so it is 6x plus 2. That's your answer. Now find the gradient. Keyword is gradient here, gradient of the curve, and curve is given y is equal to x square plus 4x. Let's write down the curve equation. Y equal to x square plus 4x. So if you are differentiating with respect to x, that is dy over dx, 2 is coming forward, so it will be 2x, and 2 take away 1 is 1, and differentiation of 4x will be 4. Yeah, so we got 2x plus 4. Now here it is written, we have given some extra points, that is 1 and 2. So we are going to calculate dy by dx at 1 and 2. It means this is our x value and this is our y value. So just simply in place of x you put 1 and in place of y you put 2, but there is no y value, so let's write down dy over dx equal to 2. In place of x we are going to put 1, so 2 times 1 plus 4, so 2 times 1 plus 4, that is 6. Yeah, so I hope you understand. All right, so let's go for another question. Here it is given, find the coordinates of the point on the curve y is equal to 4x square minus 8x plus 3. So our equation is given this, so let's write down y equal to 4x square minus 8x plus 3. Yeah, so let's because it is given, whose gradient is it? We don't know the gradient, so we are going to calculate gradient. Gradient is dy over dx, so let's write down 2 is coming forward here, so 2 times 4 is 8 x minus 8, and differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 3 is 0. Now this is given 3, so gradient is given 3, so let's write down dy by dx is given not 3, sorry, it is 8. Yeah, so it means let's equate 8x minus 8 equal to 8. If we do plus 8 both sides, so we got 8x is equal to 16, and if we divide by 8 both sides, so we get x is equal to 2. Yeah, so now they're asking coordinates of the point, so we need to calculate coordinate. We got x is equal to 2. What will be y? So y value is, from here you can see y value is y is 4x square minus 8x plus 3, and replace x with 2, so 4, 2 square minus 8, 2 and plus 3. So 2 square is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, this is minus 16, 8 times 2 and plus 3. Yeah, so 16 and minus 16 is cancelled out, so we are left with 3. So our answer is 2 and 3. So coordinate is 2 and 3. Now this question, 3 root x, let's simplify, so it will be x to the power half, and this is 1 over 2. When this is going up, so it will be x to the power minus half. Yeah, so when you differentiate fx, yeah, we write f dash x. F dash x is basically same, that is d over dx of fx, that is f dash x, right? So here 1 by 2 is coming forward, so it will be 3 over 2 x. 1 by 2 take away 1, that is minus half, and this is 1 by 2 is already there. This minus 1 by 2 is coming forward, and x minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 over 2. So your final answer is 3 over 2 x minus half minus, plus half and minus, if you multiply it will be minus 1 over 4 and x to the power minus 3 over 2. Okay, this is our f dash x. Now they are asking you to calculate f double dash x, means second derivative. This is your equation. Let's write down f dash x. We got 3 over 2 x to the power minus half minus 1 over 4 and x to the power minus 3 over 2. So we are going to differentiate it again. Okay, so let's write down this is f dash x. So we'll put one extra dash, f double dash x means differentiation of f dash x again. So 3 by 2 remains same, minus 1 by 2 is coming forward, and x minus half take away 1, that is minus 3 over 2, minus 1 by 4 is here, okay, and minus 3 by 2 is coming forward, and x to the power minus 3 by 2 and minus 1, that is minus 5 over 2. Okay, so there is a minus sign. Now let's simplify. So f double x we got minus 3 over 4 and x to the power minus 3 over 2 minus this minus and minus becomes plus, and it will be 3 over 8 and x to the power minus and 5 over 2. Nice and easy. Yeah, so now a couple of questions for you. You can pause the video and try these questions, and once you got the answer you can check your working against my working. Please pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. If you have tried these questions, so you can check step by step working with my solution and check your answers. Here are your correct answers. So these are your correct answer. Please check your answers. If you have done any mistakes, please correct it. And in my next video, we are going to learn about the implicit differentiations and more exam problems based on implicit differentiation. Till then, goodbye. Thank you for watching.